Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Titanfall 2 on Steam. First, make sure you have the Steam client installed on your computer and an active account. If not, you can easily download it from the official website. Next, navigate to the Steam store, search for Titanfall 2, and complete your purchase. Once bought, head over to your Steam library and begin the download and installation process. It's a straightforward setup, getting you ready for action in just a few steps. After installing Titanfall 2, launch the game directly from your Steam library. You will likely be prompted to link your Electronic Arts account. This is a crucial step for many Electronic Arts titles played through Steam. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, the game will guide you through creating a new one. This ensures your progress and online features are properly connected. Once your Electronic Arts account is linked, Titanfall 2 should launch seamlessly. Before diving into the action, take a moment to visit the Settings menu. Here, you can fine-tune your video, audio, and control preferences to optimize your gameplay experience. Many players enjoy starting with the critically acclaimed single-player campaign, which offers an excellent introduction to the game's unique mechanics and lore. With your settings optimized, and perhaps the campaign completed, it is time to explore the thrilling multiplayer. Navigate to the multiplayer menu to discover a variety of game modes, from classic attrition to objective-based battles. You can easily join a public match or invite up to 5 friends to form a squad. Experiment with the diverse Titan and pilot loadouts to find your perfect combat style and dominate the frontier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.